just bought your Hisense Roku TV, but the remote isn't synced? That's why you can't turn it on or off? Here we'll guide you through how to power on and power off your TV without remote using power button. First, look at the bottom of your TV. The power button is usually located just underneath the screen. If you don't spot it right away, check the bottom area carefully. On some Roku TVs, the power button can also be placed on the side, right next to other buttons like input or volume. Once you find it, just press the button once. Your TV should turn on immediately. If it doesn't, try pressing it again, a little firmly. No need to press and hold. Your TV will turn on right away. To turn it off without the remote, there are two easy ways. Just start by pressing the same power button once. A small menu will pop up on the screen, usually on the left side. From here, gently press the button downward until Turn Off TV is highlighted. Once it's selected, you'll see a short countdown of about 3 seconds, and then your TV will power off automatically. Or, for the quickest option, just press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Your TV will turn off right away. That's it. No remote needed. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech tips.